Hello, friends, and we're back here at the super fantastic painting thing channel time now. I don't know if I have enough descriptive words in there, but I hope so. Anyway, I'm Larry, of course, and this is the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel, and I am going to paint. Maybe I can even figure out how to talk one of these days. But so anyway, my paint is all ready to go, and I'll put the colors in a box somewhere on the screen again. As always, I'm the editor, so I know where it's going to go. So with that, we're going to bring you down to the canvas. We're going to have a 11 by 14 inch canvas, just like our last painting, and I've got 5 colors we're going to work with, and we're going to create something fun today. So first thing we're going to do is I haven't made my pouring cup up yet, so we're going to work on that first. with that, we have a completed painting here. This really turned out cool. I love the pops of yellow and the little pops of the cerulean blue all throughout. I mean, the little blue patches almost look like lightning flowing through the rest of it. We've got a couple of cells popping. This will be interesting to see what happens when it's dry. But with that, I'm going to say thank you for coming by to watch our silliness here. And please leave me a comment if you really like what we're doing here. Like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.